What's up guys? I'm super excited to release the Yeatzee Guitar Twin preset pack. I set out to kind of create the idealized version of a blackface Fender Clean tone and build a preset all around that. And actually landed on the Fender Twin model. I'm super pleased with these presets. I think they sound killer. They're so versatile. You've got the Fender Cleans, stack on the overdrives, you can get this kind of wide variety of tones, and I've got all the different stuff set up, and they sound great. You guys are going to really enjoy these. I think they're so versatile. Just like all the Yeatzee Guitar presets, there's going to be an H and S version included. So you'll have one kind of made more for single coil guitars or lower output guitars, and one for more higher output humbucker guitars. Personally, for this preset pack, I actually really enjoyed the S version with my humbucker guitars as well. So by all means, give both a try regardless of the type of guitar you're playing. I've also got stomp mode all laid out for you guys. You can just take the Helix, put it at your feet, and play the gig and not worry about needing anything else. I've got tremolo set up, I've got reverbs, I've got several different delays, 3 different overdrives, I've got just about anything you could ever want. And for the snapshot fans, I've got one preset for you guys set up with an awesome lush ambient swell tone, and I left the rest blank so you guys can craft it to be exactly what you need. I know some of you guys like to make snapshots for intro, verse, chorus. Other ones like to make it with your favorite sounds. Here's my rhythm crunch, my lead, my clean. So I just wanted to leave it blank so you guys can make it perfect for you. I just love having that bass Fender Clean tone and being able to just stack on different overdrives or effects and get just such a wide array of sounds. I just couldn't help but start writing riffs the other night playing through this patch. I just got lost in it, to be honest. And to me, I think that's the sign of a good sound, is if you get lost in it. So I think there's plenty of sounds in here that you will get lost in. I'm super excited for you guys to try them out. If you do purchase the preset pack, please comment below what you think. I love to hear the feedback. I'm sure everyone else does as well. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below, or you can shoot me a message on Facebook, Instagram, the forums, or just email me directly. All of that's fine. All right, guys, that's it. So if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you really liked the video, consider subscribing. I've got tons more content coming, and not just Helix stuff. I've got gear reviews, I've got gear demos, I've got all sorts of stuff lined up. Super excited to share with you guys. And if you really like the video, share it with some friends. It helps me out tremendously when you guys do that. All right, I think that's it. Until next time, I'll see you guys.